Okay, this will be my third resource. I chose to do Bloomz. I had never really heard of it before, but I chose it to interact with parents. I thought it was super neat. So you can add a class or a group, create a new class. They have all of these types of groups. You can even choose like neighborhood, a subgroup. So if you did class, you would go in here and choose your school, your class name, and then what kind of options you want for that class. I just chose one for my neighborhood just for an example. Um, you can also do reports. You can add stuff into the calendar that your parents will see. You can add a quick message. So let's say you want to send a message to all the parents. You just type their names in there. You can add like a class photo of what you're doing that day, or an attachment of a flyer or something. This way paperwork doesn't get lost for some of the students that may not give that paperwork to their parents. So yeah,